Hello everyone and welcome to B1 with Benjamin. You want to learn English and I want to help you. I want to help you make it your obsession to be one with the language. Now I've taught at all levels from A1 up to C2. However, I felt like the B1 was the thing that communicated the obsessive element that comes from wanting to learn a language. It's also that point at which you feel a bit more confident to have a conversation. The conversation isn't perfect by any stretch of the imagination, but you feel more confident, you know lots of words, and you are in a place where you can go into another country where you've been learning the language, and you feel like you're not just asking for one of those, two of those please. Now we've all done it, we all try to get by, and we all want to learn the language when we go to visit a new country. But this obsession that I want you to have is to watch these videos and other videos on pronunciation, on parts of the English language, to listen to conversations, to read books in English, to write in English, to watch TV series and films in English. I want you to make it your obsession. I want you to sit there talking to yourself in English. Maybe slowly at first, practicing perfection, really overemphasizing your pronunciation, having conversations with yourself in the car. I often find myself doing that in Spanish. Well, I say conversations, sentences, and then going back and doing it again. We all do the same thing, I hope, and I think this is the key to learning a language. I'm here to try and help you learn English. And if you have anything that you would like to learn from me, as always, leave it in the comments below any of the videos and I will make a video or try to point you towards a good video, and together we can help you to practice perfection. I'll see you in the next video.